Hello and welcome to the very first .NET tutorial brought to you by Scoobysoft.com. My name is Mark White and I will be your tutor for the foreseeable future. What I'm going to do today is to create a very simple website which demonstrates how quickly and easily you can develop websites using Visual Studio.NET. So I'll open up my development environment, which is Visual Studio 2010 Ultimate. You can download a similar development environment from Microsoft.com, which is known as Visual Web Developer 2010, and it's free. So don't let what appears to be the complexity of the environment deter you at this stage. These are just drop-down menus which you can browse through at your leisure. You may be familiar with them from Microsoft Word or Excel or any other software packages. We also have buttons along here in the menu bar which are shortcuts to functionality you're going to use again and again. But for now, to create my new website, I'm going to go File, New, Website. If some of those drop-downs don't render on your screen, don't worry about it. The narration should point you in the right direction. So in the new website dialog, I can choose my language, Visual Basic, or my preferred language, Visual C#. I'm going to go with the default, which is ASP.NET Empty Website, and all I have to do then is to give my new website a name. So I'm going to call it my first site, and click OK. Now, over on the right hand side here, you can see the Solution Explorer, which you can move around and anchor to various parts of the screen. I prefer it over on the right. This is the place where you will see all the files that you create, and also there's a file there called web.config, which .NET creates automatically. We'll get back to that in a later tutorial. For now, to create my first web page, I am going to right click on the project name and choose Add New Item. Again, that drop down may not render on your screen. I'm going to choose Web Form. You can see down here that the default, strangely enough, is called default.aspx. In other languages, you may see index.php or index.html, but with .NET websites, your extension will be ASP or ASPX. I'm going to ignore the checkbox for select master page for now. Again, that will be a later tutorial, and I'm going to simply click Add. And what you can see here now is HTML. At least from here to here is HTML. The top line in the page is additional code that .NET automatically adds for its own devices. And this is just an indication of the type of document you are creating, which is a standard from W3C. Today, all I'm going to do is to add a title, which I'm going to call My First Site. And I'm going to add some text to the body of the website in between these div tags here. Again, another tutorial at a later stage will go into more detail about HTML. For now, I'm just going to type hello world. Give it an exclamation mark. I'm going to go up here to the top just underneath the website menu drop down and click on the save button. And then across here to the green arrow or F5 and click go. The last thing I need to do is to just click on run without debugging. It just means the website will run that bit quicker than if we were debugging it. I'm going to click OK. And there you have it. Hello world, which I put into the div in the HTML, and my first site, which went into the title in the HTML. And there is your first web page in under 2 minutes. I hope you enjoy creating your own and that you'll call back soon for the next tutorial. My name is Mark White for Scoobysoft.com.